The extents of multiplicative inverse for every non-zero complex number z is equal to a plus ib or a plus ba, a not equal to 0, b not is equal to 0. We have the complex number a by a square plus b square plus I minus by a square plus b square denoted by 1 by z or z power minus 1. Call the multiplicative inverse of z such that z into 1 by z is equal to 1. The multiplicative identity. Example. For example, z is equal to 6 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 2 minus I. z by z, z1 by z2, z1 by z2 is equal to 6 plus 3i into 1 by 2 minus I is equal to 6 plus 3i equal to 2 by 2 square plus minus 2 square plus I minus into minus 1 by 2 square plus minus 1 square. z1 by z2 is equal to 6 plus 3i into 1 by 2 minus I equal to 6 plus 3i 2 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus I 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square.